Hi, I'm Satyendra Gupta, co founder of Neoperk Technologies, a young startup from the agrarian nation of India. I recently completed my graduation in electronics engineering, but my Neoperk story begins in third year of engineering college when I and my friends decided to participate in a national level hardware innovation competition, ICDC 2018. With a passion to solve a critical problem using tech, we proposed the solution of a rapid soil testing technology to overcome the problems of current soil testing methods in agriculture. But as we went deeper and interacted with farmers to understand their pain points and define a problem statement, we realized that the problem was much bigger than what we earlier thought. Because of government's efforts in the form of Soil Health Card Scheme, a nationwide program for soil testing, farmers were aware about the importance of soil testing and were also keen to get their soil samples tested. But there was a huge gap in the demand for soil testing and the existing facilities to meet the supply for this demand. More than 150 soil samples need to be tested in India itself every year, and the existing facilities need to be augmented by more than 10 times to test these many number of samples. But setting up an soil testing laboratory requires expensive equipments, titrometric procedures, chemical reagents, and skilled professionals to do the testing. Because of this, access to quality soil testing services and data driven farming practices is currently only limited to large and medium farmers. Marginal and small farmers are not motivated to go for soil testing as the laboratories are 35 kilometers away from the fields and take 7 to 21 days to deliver the results, which result in excessive and injudicious usage of chemical fertilizers and other problems associated with it. With the vision to enable even small and marginal farmers to take more informed decisions and follow sustainable fertilizer management recommendations based on their current soil health status, we are developing an in situ rapid soil testing technology, a combination of a portable IoT enabled device and cloud based machine learning models. Our device uses electronic sensors to measure the soil macronutrients nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, also famously known as NPK, soil pH, and soil organic carbon, and gives similar results as laboratories in less than 5 minutes without using any chemical reagents. Further, based on these soil nutrient values, fertilizer management recommendations are given to the farmers, which allows him to achieve optimal yield in terms of quality and quantity with efficient usage of agriculture inputs and reduced usage of chemical fertilizers. This reduces the usage of chemical fertilizers by 30% and increases the overall income of farmers by almost 40%. The SDG that we are targeting is Global Goal 12, responsible consumption and production, and we are working towards it by encouraging farmers to follow sustainable soil health based farming practices and responsible usage of chemical fertilizers. We are currently in the MVP development phase, and our next major milestone is to conduct pilot tests in March 2021 in selected villages of Maharashtra in India and validate our product, business model, and iterate quickly and make our solution available to the farmers at the earliest. If we are able to deliver value to the farmers through our solution and motivate them to use their soil health data wisely, that is something that will mean success to us. Our innovative technology being highly research intensive, we are looking for funding support in the form of grants and investments post our March pilot to expand our team and accelerate our product development cycle.